In terms of sacrifice, I want to imagine you went to sleep and you were imagining.
My time.
Oh my goodness, this thing.
My time.
Yes.
It was impossible.
Yes.
I couldn't keep away from thinking about this place.
Yes.
Yeah.
100% absorbed.
So, no, you have to. You cannot set up something like this.
Yes.
Unless you are very highly focused.
Yes.
You have to be very focused on it. Yes.
Did you wake up any day and say, this thing is too big?
No.
You kept with the fight on.
I just realized it's time to develop and to start thinking about the second one.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, the second one.
I would like to see another mall of this size in another city.
Yes.
In Kenya. Because, you see, the whole thing
yes.
is that I believe in Kenya.
Yeah.
I believe we will become like any other country in the world.
Yes.
So we just have to be ahead of
everybody else.
The demand other people.
Yeah.
By being innovative and bringing to them the value addition that will make Kenya become a developed middle income country on revenue. And you know, if you don't bring this kind of equipments of the children to Kenya, and they only see this when they travel to Dubai, they will ask their father, how come I don't have this thing in Kenya? How come we don't have this thing in Kenya?
Yes.
So we need to be the same like everybody else.
That's true.